Today we're changing the radiator on a 2000 Honda Civic. We got the new radiator here. So the first thing you do is make sure your engine is cold and open the radiator cap. And then this radiator has a plug, so you open the plugs to make sure all the coolant drains. So I'm gonna open it. You can't see it, but basically it's located here. And then drain all the coolants before you remove the hoses and the radiator and let it drain. So basically I'm draining it right now. Maybe you can hear, or you can take it. Let it drain. So now I'm gonna remove the radiator hose, the upper. That's good. And remove this one too. Just there you go. Take it out. There you go. That's good. That's fine. You can put this on the side too. We gotta remove the radiator fan connector is here. Just push it and pull. Bam, it's out. Now we have to undo these two bolts. I think they're 10. There's two more bolts underneath. You have to undo the 10 mil bolts. You just gotta undo it a little bit and then pull it. So I undo them and then pull the fan right there. And I'm not sure if you guys can see the bolts here. There's one of them. You just undo it a little bit, it just slides in. And there's the other one which I took all the way out. So the fan is out. It's good. Now I have to remove the lower radiator hose. It's the lower radiator hose I'm just removing. There you go, it's out. Okay, these two lines are transmission lines, right? We have to undo them, and then to prevent leakage we're gonna put the spark plug in it so it doesn't leak out all the transmission oil. So I'm removing this transmission line, right? I'm gonna put this spark plug in the line so it doesn't leak the oil, the transmission oil. So there you go. Bam, bam. There you go. This is a little bit big. I'm gonna put this side, and we can just let it. It will not leak. That one it's okay. We still got one more to go. I took both of the lines, transmission lines, and I put the spark plug in there. Now I can remove the radiator. Bam! It's out. Right there. You can lay it like this so the oil doesn't drip out and the coolant. And these are the lines that I was talking about. Right here. You can put plugs here so it doesn't leak. Now we can put the new one. See if it's the right part and then put it in. That's it. Yeah, looks good. Good. Yeah, looks pretty much safe. Make sure you're gonna take these back here. Put these back here so it doesn't trip. Right. Oh, I can't put it. I have to remove that. That's okay. So these two, they go here for the transmission lines. tighten it a little bit. Make sure it faces the right way. This one goes here too. You need a wrench would be nice, but I don't have it, so this will do it. Hold this and turn this a bit. Not too much, just enough. Same thing here. That's good, it's tight enough. Then we can check later on for the leak, see if it's leaking or not. Now we can put it back on. Did you get that part? Oh, okay. So these ones, make sure they're on, otherwise it will make noise, like vibration noise, stuff like that. Put it right in the hole. Yeah, right there. It's in. And we have to take this one out. It's 10 mil. That's enough. That's good. Push it back in. Put it back in. Now I just gotta tie this and then put those lines, transmission lines. These two, the one with the plugs on them. Put them back and connect the lower radiator hose. Run the car to see if it's leaking or not, because if I had the fan on, it would be hard for me to see it, because we don't have a hose here. So I just ran it and I saw there's no leak from the transmission lines, nor from the radiator hose. So we're gonna put the nuts here, one there, and then there's two for the bottom, and then we're gonna install the fan and we're good to go. That's good. And then the connector for the fan is right here. Plug it back in so it works. That's good. Push this one down, just push it in. There you go. That's good. We're done. I just gotta tighten it, the bolts down there. That's it. We're done. Now I'm just gonna tighten it and then let it run. Let the fan start and check for leaks. It's not leaking. I already checked, but it's always good when you're done. Check for leaks. Here, the fan is working. You can hear it. It's good. Pressure is good. It's not there's no leak. Here, so we're good to go. We're done. Yeah. Yeah, no leaks. We're done.